Abel's impossibility theorem, also known as Abel-Ruffini theorem, is a result in algebra that states that there is no general algebraic solution that is solution in radicals to polynomial equations of degree 5 or higher. To understand this theorem, it's helpful to know a bit about the history of solving polynomial equations. A polynomial equation is an equation of the form Px0, where Px is a polynomial, a mathematical expression involving a sum of powers in one or more variables multiplied by coefficients. For example, by 2 to 3x2o is a polynomial equation. The solutions to a polynomial equation are called its roots. For example, the roots of the equation by 2 to 3x2o are x1 and x2. For centuries, mathematicians sought formulas to find the roots of polynomial equations. They succeeded for equations of degree 2 quadratic equations, degree 3 cubic equations, and degree 4 quartic equations. The quadratic formula is well known, and formulas for the roots of cubic and quartic equations were found in the 16th century. However, the situation for polynomial equations of degree 5 quintic equations and higher proved to be more challenging. In the early 19th century, the Italian mathematician Paolo Ruffini claimed that there was no general formula for the roots of quintic equations. But his proof was not fully rigorous. Niels Henrik Abel, a Norwegian mathematician, provided a rigorous proof of this fact in 1824. Abel's impossibility theorem states that there is no general formula involving only the arithmetic operations and radicals for the roots of quintic or higher degree polynomial equations. This result marked a turning point in the history of algebra, showing that the methods used to solve lower degree equations could not be generalized to higher degree equations. It's important to note that Abel's theorem doesn't mean that specific quintic or higher degree equations can't be solved. In fact, many specific higher degree equations can be solved. What the theorem says is that there is no formula that can solve all such equations. Abel's impossibility theorem was a major achievement in the history of mathematics. It showed the limitations of classical algebra and paved the way for the development of group theory and Galois theory, which provide a deeper understanding of the structure of polynomial equations.